Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricks vs Facts. In this video, we are going to discuss about 4 tricks for increasing immunity power. So watch this video till end. In Corona time, every person must have a strong immunity power. So we are going to discuss about 4 best tricks for increasing your immunity power by own self. Now the first trick is early to bed, early to rise. If you will sleep early, then you will rise early. And if you rise in Brahm Muhurat, means 1 hour before the sunrise, then you will got the extra energy, which will increase your immunity power. Now the second trick is time to eat, time to sleep. If you have fixed time for eating and sleeping, you slept at fixed time and taking your regular diet at the same time every day, no internal disease will rise in your body. To efficiency of energy and retardation. That's result in immunity booster. My third trick is play your favorite game every day. You are playing your favorite outdoor games every day for 1 or 2 hours, then your body will got the active mode, which will also help in immunity booster. The fourth and last trick is take heavy diet every day according to need of your body. If you will fulfill the requirements of your body immunity power will never expire. Eat well and healthy. Now, I hope you captured my art tricks. I pray to God you will never get affected by the corona like disease. These tips and stay healthy. Thank you for listening and joining.